there's a raft of benefits that come with the lithium batteries. Putting the cost aside for a minute, lithium batteries are around about a quarter of the weight of an AGM battery. So with the vehicles, with GVM limits and all those sorts of things, both with four-wheel drives and with caravans and camper trailers, lots of people have weight limits. So there's a weight advantage that comes with that. You can take 220 amp hour AGMs out of a vehicle weighing 35 odd kilos each, so 70 kilos in total, replace that with a single 19-20 kilo 150 amp hour battery, for example, as a comparison. So that battery at 19 kilos versus 70 kilos, you've got a 50 kilo weight limit. So there's a weight advantage. 2/3 of the physical size for the equivalent usable capacity. So there's a space saving that allows you to reduce the volume that it takes up for your batteries and charging systems, gives you more storage space in your vehicles. Charging and discharging efficiency. So AGM battery is very poor at absorbing charge current at low states of charge and also at the top end of its charging stages, right? You need to put in a lot more amp hours for the battery to absorb that energy. With a lithium battery, it takes all of the energy almost at 96%. So it's almost everything that you put into it gets absorbed by that battery during the charge state. It does it very efficiently during the discharge cycle as well. Why is this important? Well, if you've got limited charge capability, especially when you're recharging from solar, you've only got a certain number of hours per day that you can charge your batteries with. You've only got a certain amount of hours per day until the sun goes down. You need to be able to get as much of that usable energy and that limited energy source that you have and get that into your batteries. Lithium batteries will absorb that very quickly. AGM batteries are a lot less efficient at absorbing that power. Cycle life is one of the key differences, right? A good quality AGM, a premium AGM battery, you might get 500 to 800 cycles out of a battery over a period of time. Cycle life is important. With an AGM battery, you might only get 800 cycles out of a premium grade AGM. A cheap quality AGM might only get 300 to 500 cycles out of that during its lifetime. Lithium batteries, on the flip side of that, especially with an all-spark battery, you're getting batteries in excess of 3,000 cycles over that duration. At the end of those 3,000 cycles, we're not putting that battery in the bin by any means. It's still maintaining an 85% residual capacity from its original capacity after those 3,000 cycles. You continue to use that for many thousand cycles after that point. You get many, many years of life out of that. An AGM battery, in comparison, when it gets to the end of its cycle life, the battery deteriorates to a point where it won't charge, it won't discharge, it won't maintain its original capabilities. It generally will drop a cell during that period of time and it can't produce the power that you need it to do. So there's a life expectancy that drops away quite significantly with AGM batteries. That is not the case with good quality lithium batteries like an all-spark battery.